In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels to cards in Trello. Labels are a simple, powerful way to make your boards easier to scan at a glance. With just a couple of clicks, you can tag cards with colors that represent categories like priority, status, or team ownership, so everyone understands what's going on without opening each card. First, log into Trello and open the board where you want to work. If you manage multiple boards, make sure you're on the one that contains the card you want to label. This can be your project board, a personal task board, or any shared workspace. Trello looks and behaves consistently, whether you're on the web or using the desktop app, so these steps will feel familiar in either place. Next, find the card you want to label and click it to open the back of the card. Think of the back of the card as the detailed view. This is where you see all the information tied to that task: descriptions, checklists, due dates, comments, and more. Opening this view also reveals a menu on the right side with tools specific to that card. In that right-hand menu, click Labels. This opens the label picker, which displays a palette of colored squares. Each color represents a label you can use across the board. You don't need to overthink it. Labels are flexible, so you can keep them simple or build a consistent color system for your team over time. Now, click any colored square to add that label to the card. You'll see the color appear on the front of the card immediately, making it stand out on your board. If you change your mind or apply the wrong one, just click the same colored square again to remove it. You can select more than one color if a task belongs to multiple categories, and you can remove any of them just as easily. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Labels are visible right on the card face, so they act like quick visual cues while you're scanning a busy board. They're also consistent across the board, which helps your team stay aligned on what each color means. If you prefer to keep things minimal, even a single label can do the job of signaling priority or workflow stage. That's all it takes. Log in and open your board. Open the card, click Labels, then click a color to add or remove it. With labels in place, your Trello board becomes clearer, faster to navigate, and easier to manage at a glance.